With the management of Skipper, Mr. Sharan Bansal was talking to us. He told us that, in fact, L&T Mutual Funds had picked up the stake that the promoter sold, and the stock, in fact, is currently still holding with a gain of around 6%. Remember, the seller was the promoter. But, Sharan, I think we've got you back with us on the phone line. Wanted to understand the impact of demonetization. Now, various reports suggested that you know, y'all were looking at a 50% fall in terms of PVC pipe sales. Is that true? Could you tell us about that? And also your working capital days. I think it was deteriorating in the Q2. I think it went to around 92 days. Any worsening over there?
All right, I'll speak about the PVC effect, the sales effect on the demonetization. We're certainly not going to see a fall in sales.
Okay.
We'll see a slower growth in sales. We still expect to see growth numbers there because we still have a low base effect and our capacities are still largely unutilized because they are new. So I think the growth number which we had earlier projected would be slower, but there still would be growth for sure. So that's on the PVC side of demonetization. Of course, our main business of power transmission, there's no impact at all of demonetization because it's all project and order book led business. So it's fairly comfortable where sales revenues are, on that business are concerned. Secondly, about the working capital, I think the working capital cycles do see some fluctuations over quarters, and generally Q2, Q3 and Q4 are better in terms of working capital utilization. So I think it really has to be seen on an annual basis. By the end of Q4, you'll again see it coming back to the normal levels.
The normal level?
Yes, absolutely.
What is the normal level, Sharan?
The normal level for us is about 90 days on the net working capital level.
Mr. Bansal, you had earlier guided for a 15 to 20% revenue growth in FY17. You spoke about a slower growth in the Q3 quarter because of demonetization. What would be your new revenue guidance for the full year?
It would still be in the range of 15 to 20% because the effect of demonetization is only on the PVC pipe sales, which is just about 10 to 12% of our overall sales. So I don't see that number, the annual number of 15 to 20% being impacted too badly.
All right, Sharan, thanks so much for joining in. Any plans, Sharan, though, to demerge your business?
Well, I think the PVC business is still too small.
So no plans?
No. So unless it reaches a certain size, no, I don't see that happening at all.
All right, Sharan, thanks so much for joining and giving us all those details. The stock holding higher, though, in the markets have all